A few days ago, 3Commas has added a new bot to the portfolio, the HODL Bot. This bot is specifically designed for long-term investments into any crypto. It works by buying a certain amount of crypto every X days that you specify. So for example, you could set up a HODL bot to buy $10 worth of Bitcoin every week at 10 AM your time. With this, you can make perfect use of the dollar cost averaging effect. So here's a basic example of dollar cost averaging. Imagine you have $10,000 available to invest. Now you could either split the investment or you could invest everything at once. In this example, if you would have invested everything at once and you waited 5 months, then you wouldn't have made any profit because in the beginning the price per share was $50 and now the price is also $50. If you instead split the investment, in this example it was split into 5 equal parts, you can see that in the end, because we are buying at different prices each time and we're getting an average price, in the end our average price is $35.71, which would end up in a profit of $14.29 per share. And since we bought 280 shares, that would be around $4,000 profit with an initial investment of only $10,000. Now to set up a HODL bot in 3Commas, first need to head over to your settings and then enable beta testing, since the HODL bot is still in beta testing. After you've activated beta testing, you can see under the trading bot section the new HODL bot. If you then decide to create the HODL bot, you need to first select your exchange and the crypto that you want to buy. Then you need to enter how much you want to buy and in which currency. And then you can specify the interval in which the bot should buy the crypto. This can be set anywhere between 1 and 30 days, but it cannot be more than 30 days. Then you can also specify the time at what the crypto is going to be bought, which is always in your local time zone that is set at your computer. Last but not least, you can then specify the next buy date. So if you don't want the bot to buy immediately, you can specify that it, for example, buys tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. After you've created the bot, you will get back to the HODL bot overview where you can see all your current running bots. On the top right, you can then decide to stop the bot at any time. You can also see on which exchange it is operating. You can see the interval at which the bot is buying. You can see how much the bot is buying, in which currency and in which crypto it is buying. Then you can see the next buy date. And on the bottom, you can see your average buy price and you can see the current market value. So these two bots have both only bought one time so far. So with this bot, I would be in the loss of 8 cents because I bought for $50, but the market value right now is 49.92. In this case, I would be in a profit of 22 cents because I bought with $100 and now it's worth $100.22. With a refresh, you can also then see the updated market values, which you can see that it increased and you can see that it's in real time. So that's it for the video. Let me know what you think of the HODL bot in the comments and I'll see you next time. Bye.